Hello everyone. Today we are again with EVS book of class 4 Think Green Environmental Studies. Today we are with the chapter Types of Houses. Houses, everybody has an image of the house, everybody has the house. Okay, so let us see what type of houses are. You know that everybody needs a house. Why do everybody needs a house? To protect themselves from heat, rain, cold, winter, winds, and animals. Okay, to protect themselves, to take rest, to feel comfortable. Okay, everybody needs a house. So people, according to their own convenience, make different type of houses. Okay, it is also made according to the place where it is much hot, much cold, or rain, there is much rain. So they make their houses according to the climatic conditions too. So let us read here. Just as food and clothes, shelter is also one of our basic facilities. Yes, shelter, food, and clothes. These are the three basic facilities very important to us. A shelter protects us from extreme weather like heat, cold, and rain. It is a place to keep our possession. Possession means whatever our belongings are, safely from thieves and robbers. A house keeps us comfortable. Do you agree with that? Yes. Even animals have been provided certain provisions by nature to keep them safe, like a tiger and zebra have stripes. Polar bears have thick fur to save them from the cold conditions, etc. Wow, God has made their body to protect themselves from the extreme weather conditions. Sometimes it's very hot, sometimes very cold. So God has provided them inbuilt in their body only. Wow. Okay, and they have their forest also where they live. Okay, building a house mainly depend on three factors. What are these three factors? Let us see. Weather conditions in the area. If it is extreme hot, so what type of houses will make? Very airy. If it is cold, we will not make airy houses. Not much airy houses because cold winds will come every time. Okay, and for rainy season, if the rain comes, if it is snowfall, then all snow will be gathered on that house roof. Then what will happen? So they make sliding roofs. Okay, the material available. Yes, the material that is available in the nearby areas. People make the houses with the material that is much more available at the reach of them, much more comfortable to them, much more cheap to them according to their economic conditions. Yes, for making a house, economic means related to money. Yes, जैसा पैसा है वैसा ही मकान बनेगा, सिंपल है ना. तो economic conditions also matter a lot. Different types of houses are built in different places and regions. Different places and different states, different areas, different type of houses are made. Houses in cold region. Now ठंडे इलाकों में कैसे होते हैं? Igloos तो you can see in this picture are very famous. The cold region of the Arctic, yes, Arctic, the coldest region, is completely covered with snow throughout the year. Now, snow throughout the year. So how the people will live here? It's very difficult to live. Let us see what they do to live. So the people living there have found a way to use slabs of ice to build special houses. What did they do? They use slabs of ice to build special houses. These houses are dome shaped. Dome shaped you can see here, and called igloos. 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 The people there are called Eskimos or Inuits. Eskimos you can see here. Okay, they are covered with thick fur and woolen clothes. Okay, because this is very cold. This place is very cold. According to their climatic condition, they have to make their houses by using slabs of ice to build special houses, and these houses are dome shaped called igloos. Okay. Now next is wooden houses. Wood means lakdi. Wooden means made of wood. So wooden houses, it's very clear to us that wooden houses will be made of wood. Let us see. In the cold but forest regions of America, people build wooden houses or log cabins. Wooden houses made of wood. They use wood because there is plenty of wood available in the forest, very much available, easily available to them according to their economic conditions also, because they can find it from there only. तो cheap पड़ेगी उनको, transportation नहीं लगेगी, first thing is, isn't it? And also wood is a good insulator and keeps the cold out. ठंडक को कम रखता है. So in cold areas, wooden houses are also made because wood is easily available to them, material is easily available to them, and wood is a good insulator and keeps the cold out. Okay. Now houses in hot and dry regions. Hot and dry regions, बहुत गर्मी भी है, and rainfall hardly any time, कभी कभी होती है. तो क्या करेंगे ड्राई रीजन्स में? कैसे हाउस बनाएं? इन हॉट एंड ड्राई एरियाज हाउसेज आर बिल्ट विथ फ्लैट रूफ्स हैविंग मड वॉल्स, ताकि हाउस ठंडा रहे. These walls keep the house cool and roofs can be used to sleep at night. We find mud houses in Mexico. We find in villages also mud houses, kacha houses that are cool. The Egyptians were the first to build mud houses. Who built the mud houses first? Who were the first to build mud houses? Egyptians. And most of the mud houses are found in which area? In Mexico. They painted their houses white to reflect the heat of the sun. Okay, white light colors are the bad conductors of heat, keep us cool. Okay, we feel cool with light colors are called cool colors. Okay, houses in areas with heavy rainfall. Yes, houses in areas with heavy rainfall, जहाँ बहुत बारिश होती है, बारिश का पानी तो इकट्ठा हो जाएगा रूफ पे, छत पे, इधर उधर गैदर हो जाएगा, तो क्या होगा? नुकसान होगा. There will be so many problems. In places where rainfall occurs almost throughout the year, raised houses are built on stilts. Raised houses थोड़ा ऊंचा करके, क्योंकि नीचे से पानी आ जाएगा, बाढ़ आ जाएगी. Okay, the stilts are wooden poles. ऊपर खड़ा करके, you can see in this picture कि इसको बहुत ऊंचा ले जाकर तब हाउस बनाएंगे ताकि पानी घर में घुसे ही ना. That provides support to the house and protect it from floods due to heavy rainfall. And one more thing you can see here, that sloping roofs. पानी ऊपर छत पर भी नहीं रुकेगा, सब नीचे फ्लोर पे गिर जाएगा. Such houses are found in the eastern region of India. So till here we have discussed about houses in cold region, houses in hot and dry region, houses in areas where there is heavy rainfall. These are according to the climatic conditions. Let us see generally what do we see in our surroundings. Different type of houses. Okay, building a house depends upon availability of space and funds. Space means how much area is there, कितने पे आपको house बनाना है, and funds related to money. Some examples. टेम्परेरी हाउस. टेम्परेरी टेम्परेरी तो आपको लग ही रहा है कि टेम्परेरी परमानेंट तो है नहीं, इसको कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं, उखाड़ सकते हैं. ओके, दीज कैन बी बिल्ट फॉर वेकेशन. छुट्टियों के लिए टेम्परेरी हाउस बनाया, उसको फोल्ड किया और फिर कहीं और ले गए. समटाइम्स दे आर बिल्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द क्लाइमेट ऑफ द रीजन. यस, समटाइम्स इट इज वेरी हॉट, दे वांटेड टू गो इन कोल्ड प्लेसेस, दे विल फोल्ड दैट, gather that and move to another place. Okay, for example, along the coastal areas, temporary houses are often built using wood or coconut leaves by the fishermen. Tents so very easy to carry. Fold them and you can carry anywhere. Tents are used by people who want to go camping on holidays. Mainly for camping these are used. They are made of waterproof material like canvas cloth or nylon. Okay? They are made of canvas cloth and nylon. Okay? Tents are made of canvas cloth or nylon. Okay? Caravans are houses on wheels. उसको व्हील्स मतलब बुलक कार्ट की तरह से या हाउसेस किसी भी मूवेबल व्हीकल पे रखकर और कहीं भी ले जा सकते हैं. ओके, अर्लियर दे वर पुल्ड बाय हॉर्स और बुलक्स, बट नाउअडेज दे आर पुल्ड बाय कार्स और ट्रक्स आल्सो. ओके, दिस इज नॉट ट्रंक्स, दिस इज ट्रक्स आल्सो. Okay, now houseboats are floating houses. Floating means boats where do you find? In the water only. And there are all facilities available in boats also. Everything is there. You can live 2-3 days in the boat also. That is houseboats. Are floating houses on water bodies like lakes. They are generally found in Kashmir, Kerala, and also in Hong Kong, Holland, etc. So question can be asked here, where you can find houseboats, especially in India, Kashmir and Kerala, and in the other states, other countries, Hong Kong and Holland. Okay. Now here comes the question of modern houses. Yes, modern houses. You can see here there are beautiful houses, tall buildings, multi-story buildings, flats, etc. You can see in the pictures. Modern houses are built of bricks, cement, stones, iron, wood, etc. They may be big or small, simple or multi-storied. In cities, we find people living mostly in 2 or 3 bedroom flats and apartments. Cities also have houses called bungalows. Bungalows are big houses with lawns and parking space. They are usually very, very expensive. So let us see some keywords here. What are igloos? Igloos are houses made of slabs of snow. What are stilts? Wooden poles to support the house built on it are called stilts. Skyscrapers, multi-story tall building touching to the sky are called skyscrapers. Caravans, houses on wheels. There are some points to remember. Let us read them and understand. Things to remember. A house protects us from bad weather and enemies. Agree? Yes. Types of houses depend upon the climatic conditions. Climatic conditions क्या? Hot, cold or rain. Availability of material. Where we get stones much, where wood is easily available, where iron is easily available, etc. etc. At the place and economic conditions. Yes, money तो होना चाहिए. Different areas have different types of houses. Igloos are made of slabs of ice and snow. Log cabins or wooden houses are built in cold and forest areas. Mud houses are built in hot and dry deserts. A house on stilts is built in wet and rainy areas to keep out the water. Tents and caravans are temporary houses and are used for camping, etc. Houseboats are floating houses built on water bodies like lakes. And modern houses are built of bricks, cement, stone, iron, wood, etc. Now you will read this chapter again and again. Try out the exercises given at the back of the lesson. You can try out many activities also. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice time. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Have a nice time.